Okay, a while back we done a video on a 2019 Ford F-150, taking a look at the rust underneath. Behind me I've got a 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. The oil's draining out of it now, but figured we'd take a look at this thing. Go ahead and grab you up and get started. See if it looks different or better or worse. As you can see, the truck's been in the salt. We've had some bad rates here lately in West Virginia, so it's been in a lot of salt and it hasn't been cleaned. So let me grab the light and we will take off. So in the front of the truck, it doesn't look bad. If anybody knows what these are for, let me know. I've looked at those and noticed weird stuff. I don't know if it's something with assembly or on the assembly line or what that is. But the front of the truck really doesn't look bad. Axles show some rust. Okay, let's move on back. Drive shaft shows some rust. Isn't that a great spot for a wire connector? Wow, that'll probably be a problem. I can see some rust on the prop shafts. You can see all the salt and dirt caked up in here. I need to get this cleaned out. Again, drive shafts, rust, exhaust hangers starting to rust as well. Maybe not as bad as the F-150, but they're certainly rusting. Does anybody know what that gizmo is? Just noticed that. Muffler looks okay. Looks like it probably weighs as much as a truck bed. Looks like we got some surface rust on the frame there. Doesn't look terrible. Whole different suspension on the Ford. And then this particular truck, it doesn't ride near as well as the Ford with the flat straight springs, leafs. Garage is a mess. Got another big project coming up with my Dart that hopefully I'll get it in the video as well. And I mean, really, we're seeing about the same thing as the Ford with the same year. Maybe a little less. But this truck missed the winter in West Virginia that the Ford had, so I would expect it to be just a little better. Taking a look at the hitch, exhaust. More wiring with lots of yuck on them. And anyway, there it is. Oh, let's get the spare tire real quick here. Now looks okay. Can't get a picture of above it. Anyway, this is a 2019 regular cab short bed Ram Classic. I don't know why Dodge started putting Classic on these. So, alrighty. I hope you can compare the two videos and maybe see something I didn't. Have a good day.